Today on Science Fridays with John, we're going to take an egg and submerge it in vinegar and see what happens. Stay tuned. I'll see you in the lab. Hi everyone, I'm John, the science guy, and welcome to another Science Fridays with John. We're gonna play with some vinegar and an egg and see what happens. All right, I'm gonna take some vinegar and I'm gonna pour that right into our cup. We wanna pour just enough so the egg is gonna be able to submerge. I'm gonna take an egg. Now I'm using an organic egg, okay? Just gonna pop that in here like so. And you can see already, look what's happening. Can you see the crystals already starting to form around the egg? So the vinegar that we have here is actually an acid. And it's gonna do something very, very interesting. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it's already starting to do something. You can see the bubbles. I'm not sure if you guys can see the bubbles that are starting to form around the egg. Can you see that? So this reaction is happening very slowly, and you can see they're starting to rise to the top. Now, the more time that goes by, the greater the reaction. Now, you need to leave this in the vinegar for at least 24 to 36 hours. Okay, all right. But I know you don't have 36 hours to wait here on camera for me. So we've actually put one already in vinegar from the other day, and we have it right here on camera. So this egg, it's pretty interesting, watch this. It bounces. Why does it bounce? Well, first of all, the egg actually, using the vinegar, has taken the calcium chlorate and it got rid of the egg shell. And so what it's done is it's actually made this egg semi-permeable. It's gotten rid of 97%. Now, because this was an organic egg, there's still a little bit of, not really shell, but there's a little bit of brown left. If you use a regular egg, your egg will probably get a little bit lighter. Beyond the white, you'll get a yellow, but I mean, I think that's pretty cool. How many people can bounce an egg, all right? So you're probably asking me why. I mean, I literally can like push in on the sides. If you can see that I can push in the sides, I can push any part of the egg. You can't do that with a regular egg. That is just so cool. So why am I showing you this experiment? Well, sometimes, ladies and gentlemen, it takes time for the gold to show up. What do I mean by that? Well, you might have heard the analogy that we plant seeds every day, and if we water them and we tend to them and they get the right nutrients, sunlight, they will yield a very big crop or harvest. Well, when we start something and we give it time, we can have a gold return if we're patient enough. Now, 24 to 36 hours is not a lot of time, but sometimes we give up too early, just before things are starting to actually happen for us. You know, the only difference, ladies and gentlemen, between success and failure is the successful people just have learned to hang on a little bit longer. I am John, the science guy, and thank you so much for popping in as we bounce out today from my lab. And remember, I'm John and I do science parties, so you can learn more at believemeachieve.com. But please like, love, support the channel, comment, and of course share it out to everyone you know. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, to show me some love and click on that bell notification icon so you're instantly notified. Click on the subscribe button and you'll be reminded when I post great content about science to let you learn more, interact, and grow, and also increase your motivation. Have yourself a great rest of your day, and remember to click on that PayPal button and make the choice to buy my team and I a cup of coffee, a bowl of fruit, or a savory dessert plate. Either way, we'll be grateful with those pennies and dollars that you give to us, because we'll invest in new hardware, new technology, new equipment, new software, even new facilities, give you the most jaw-dropping, motivational content ever. I gotta bounce out of here. We'll see you soon.